Let's create one more simple exercise in SolidWorks. In this video, you'll learn to use the Revolve features. So open the SolidWorks and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the front plane and create this sketch. And here will be the midpoint. And the first thing that we will make this line here with 8 millimeters of length and create this line here. And the angle between these two lines is 45 degrees. So open the SolidWorks and go to Sketch, select the front plane and select line. Click here in the midpoint, make a line here and another line here, and go to Smart Dimensions. The length here, 8 millimeters, and the angle between these two lines here is 45 degrees. And now we will make this two line here, and the distance between this line and the center line here is 15 millimeters. Select line, click here in this point, make a line here and another line here, and go to Smart Dimension. The distance here, 15 millimeters. And the distance between this line here and the midpoint is 20 millimeters. And now we'll make this line here from the midpoint. And this line has 50 millimeters of length. Is this line here. And we will create this line, and the angle between these two lines is 60 degrees. So select line, click here in this point, make a line here, and make another line here. And go to Smart Dimension. The angle here, 60 degrees. And the length here is 50 millimeters. We made this sketch. And now go to Features and select Revolved Boss Base. And the axis of revolution is this line here. And the angle is 360 minus 90 millimeters. And press OK. We made this part here, and here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching, subscribe my channel for more, and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.